So I already do have a food torch in my kitchen right now, but the safety on it was just really annoying. And there were so many times where I would get stuck trying to turn it on and it would just be a hassle and I would not want to do anything with it. So I saw this one on Lexivon's site. I reached out to them and they gratefully sent this out for me to review. And let me tell you, this is so much better than the other one I have. This feels very premium with so much metal on it. The slider for plus and minus, the adjustment of the fuel, has a really nice range to it where I feel like I have a lot of control over the heat that is coming out. And the child safety lock is really easy to use, but still going to be difficult for a child to figure out how to use it. Also, I noticed that after a long use with this, the tip of this seemed to cool off so much faster than the one I already have. I'm so thankful they sent this to me because without that, I would have never known there's an actual difference in the torches. Just the fact that this has a better heat range makes it easier to cook with.